Test 1.1. Test 1.2. Test 1.3. Test 1.4. Test 1.5. You could hear the music when it first opened, but I can turn it back on. Test 2.1. Test 2.2. Test 2.3. Test 2.4. I'm pressing the B key. Test 2.5. You can see it changes texture when I hover over. Test 2.6. When selecting the other keyboard control option, the mouse will be automatically unselected, and vice versa. Test 3.1, pressing the B key. Test 3.2, these are loading up from a text file, which that means that test 2 is working correctly. Test 4.1, can select the small apple. Test 4.2, can select the medium apple. Test 4.3, can select the large apple. Test 4.4, I can choose between buried and classic food options. Test 4.5, the checkbox changes texture when I'm hovering over. Test 4.6, I can start a game with a selected configuration. Test 5.1, as you can see, I can move the snake around the screen. Test 5.2, the snake is currently set to follow the mouse around. Test 5.3, if I enable keyboard controls, then return to the game, I now have to use, as you see the mouse does nothing, I have to use the arrow keys or the A and D keys to move the snake around the screen. Test 5.4, I can quit the game by pressing the B key. Test 5.5, if I now return to the game will be reset. Test 5.6, I can see my score in the counter in the top left. Move it along a tiny bit. You can see it's 3 at the moment, and then 4, 5, 8.